Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be putting together this Kobalt garden cart from Lowe's. So let's start with what's inside the box. This is a 7 cubic foot garden cart. These are the tools that are required. 17 millimeter wrench, 24 millimeter wrench, or adjustable wrench, needle nose pliers, and 5 millimeter hex key. We gotta start by getting all the bolts and nuts out of this pack so we have access to them when we need them. Step one is put these 4 square-headed bolts in through the inside of the wagon. And they're in here pretty good. It's pretty obvious where they go. They fit right in the recess.
Now we flip the poly bin over and lay the frame on the back of it.
It fits right in between these raised areas. Now you install the 4 locking nuts. These right here. Alright, since I have this nice 3/8 air ratchet, I'm going to use it to tighten these down real quick. Alright, looks good. This is going to be your steering wheels, so you want to tighten this down pretty snug and then loosen it up about a quarter of a turn. This will be the cotter pin that you'll need for the next part here, attaching the handle. All right, next is attaching the wheels. I believe it's these washers and these cotter pins. The wheels just slide on. Make sure your air valve's towards the outside. And then a washer and then a cotter pin. And then you just take a needle nose pliers or something like that and just bend one of these tabs. I'm gonna bend both the tabs just for extra safety. Okay, on the rear, you just pull these caps off. Easier said than done. So your other axles go through here. There's a hole underneath here that's hidden. So you got 2 options. You can either try to work this cap off with your fingers or a tool, or cut it, put a slice in it with a utility knife. They're on there really tight. Wow, that's my one complaint. I think I'm just gonna cut it. Yeah, wow, those are tight. They're like stuck to it. They got pain inside of it. Not good. My one complaint. Getting these off. You literally have to cut them so you can get it loose enough to get it off. Yeah, those are on there. We'll get these axles out. And these just go through here. And they're just held on by these lock nuts here. I do not have a 24 millimeter, so I'm just going to use an adjustable wrench. As you can see, these go in a certain way so they can't spin. Snug these up pretty good. And then it's the same process for the wheels as the front. This is the dump handle. Obviously it's just a garden wagon, so it doesn't have an automatic dump. So we're gonna be attaching this handle to the front. These are the last bolts that we need to attach that. So the bolts come from the inside. The lock goes down so it can catch here, the bottom of the wagon. The nuts go right into here. So there's no washers on this side. The washer's on the opposite side. So we're gonna put a bolt and a washer, slide it through, and start it in this nut that's already inside this handle. Another bolt and a washer. Bring it through. Uh-oh, we didn't get that one started. Okay, we have them all started. Now let's get a hex key and finish them up. 5mm hex head is what this is. A little pro tip, when you tighten these bolts up, have this in the lock position so that when the bolts tighten up, they're at the bottom of the holes, because otherwise you'll have a hard time getting this to, actually, still having a hard time. Yeah, it's really tight to get it unlatched. You about have to push it down on the front of this wagon to get it, pop it off. I don't really like it, but this wagon's supposed to carry 1,200 pounds, so you don't want it coming loose, but it's a little bit tight. For an older person, it might be hard to manipulate. I'm sure with use, it'll probably wear in a little bit. Other than that, it seems like a pretty solid wagon. One other option this has is if you decide you want to hook this up to like a mower or something, you can actually remove the handle and this will hook onto a drawbar. So that's just another feature that this has. Easily take it off, put it back on. Well guys, hope you got something out of this video today. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and think about subscribing to the channel for more videos. Until next time, good luck with all your projects.